Will a dark bag bleed color onto clothes? You don't know until you test. And testing tells you whether this batch of material is actually safe to use. Colorfastness depends on the fabric dyeing process and even the material of the customer clothing. First, we can use the dry and wet rubbing test to see the colorfastness of the fabric. For dry rubbing, just place the white rubbing cloth on it. The machine moves in one horizontal direction, but fabric has both warp and weft, so we test both directions. Dry rubbing usually passes without issues, but for dark fabrics, the focus is on wet rubbing. Wet rubbing has an extra process. First, we need to soak the white rubbing cloth in grade 3 water. Same process, warp and weft each get wet rubbing tested. The second test is to see whether the bag's color will transfer onto the customer's clothing. Here we have 6 different materials: wool, acrylic, polyester, nylon, cotton, and acetate, which cover most clothing fabric types. We sew the bag's fabric together with these 6 materials, then soak them in grade 3 water. After that, we put them in this electric hot air oven, set 37 degrees for 4 hours. Once the time is up, it needs to air dry naturally, usually at least 12 hours. Now I have the tested results. So how do we determine the colorfastness grade? Come here. All color-related tests are read in a professional color reading room. The technician sets the light to D65, which mimics natural light per national standards, and then it needs the GB standard color change reference card. The same fabric can look different under various light. That's why a fixed environment is required for accurate grading. Every reader has to pass a professional exam to get certified, and they are retested every 2 years. If you are colorblind, this job is probably not for you. We will show you all the test results. For the passing standard, just tell us what color change rating you need. We'll test strictly to your requirements. Find the color problem before shipment. You can switch materials, go back to the supplier. Find it after customer has it. All you can do is apologize. If you are looking for a supply chain partner who treats your quality standard as their own, we would like to talk.